Looks like that windstorm is starting to happen here now. Wind warning in effect. And the trees are moving. It's absolutely beautiful out here, but the wind just started to pick up. And I'm expecting the power to go out if it stays this windy. Arbutus trees, and right through those trees is the ocean. And I tell you, on the other side of those trees, man, it is blowing to beat the band, guaranteed. Think it's windy here? Well, it's a lot windier over there. Thank God for those trees. That's our windbreak right there. The winds would be a lot more extreme if that buffer wasn't there. Warm winds, very warm winds, almost Pineapple Express-like without the rain. It's very dry. Low humidity, but beautiful. I'm liking it. Like a good windstorm. As long as nothing gets damaged, and I don't even mind the power being out. So anyway, stay tuned for an update and see how this thing progresses. They said up to 90 km/h winds in the Gulf Islands, so we'll see what happens. Exposed areas anyway, we're sheltered.